11740 Evanston Ave North. Date is April 28th, 2021. Making this recording as a final recording of the sewer repair work done out here by Bob Oates Plumbing. We have essentially replaced this entire line from the cast iron as it exits the home out to within a foot of the main. What you're looking at right now is the city main. We're going to come back from this point and get a look at the line. We're going to almost immediately come into 6-inch diameter, new flow, cure-in-place pipe liner. So, inch or two back from the main, we got real tight, nice and snugged up against it. It's turning right there at the main. So coming back through our 6-inch diameter pipe liner now. And then it goes right into the 6-inch diameter repair there that we dug up. So the 6-inch diameter pair is hugged up against there with a strong back fern co. Coming back through this repair, we're going to bump up into 4-inch diameter right here as we get to the property line. I'm going to come back through this 4-inch diameter, which comes into our pipe burst. So we pipe bursted a long stretch of this pipe along the side of the house. This is 4-inch diameter HDPE plastic pipe. I'm going to come back through this pipe burst. Running along the side of the home. You see a weld about every 20 feet where the sections connect to each other right there. Another weld. And we should be coming around the corner here shortly. Yep, we're coming back into our PVC repair from the excavation at the corner of the home. This is where a 90-degree turn was here to kick it out towards the front. We're going to come back around that turn. There's also a clean out installed there for maintenance purposes. And we immediately come back into the 4-inch diameter new flow liner that runs along the back of the house. So now we are in this 4-inch diameter liner. It's going to bring us back towards the clean out that I'm making this recording from. And you see there, it lips right into the PVC as we, from our repair here at the back of the house. We're going to come out into that PVC and up out of the clean out. There's a clean out we're making this recording from, and there's a little shot of the repair. To end the video there.